respect and love to you all. My name is Kahraman and we are Havas Guruhi family band from Tashkent, Uzbekistan. And we are very lucky to come to 52nd Karbi Youth Festival. So Karbi people, Karbi culture and Karbi music touch our heart. So we will bring the friendship, love and beautiful music with us. So let the 52nd Karbi Youth Festival be joyful and vibrant. Long live the Karbi Youth Festival. See you later, guys.